Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, e-commerce businesses need a fulfillment partner that's fast, reliable, and scalable. ShipMonk makes shipping and order management simple. Let's break it down. ShipMonk centralizes your inventory, orders, and shipping in one platform. You can automate fulfillment, track shipments in real time, and integrate with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon. Its scalable solutions make it easy for small stores to grow without worrying about packing, shipping errors, or logistics headaches. ShipMonk helps e-commerce businesses streamline fulfillment, save time, and focus on growth instead of operations. If you want to simplify order fulfillment for your store in 2025, ShipMonk keeps operations smooth, accurate, and scalable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.